Welcome to the Content Vibes Cooking Show. I'm so excited to have you here today. Today we will be cooking the Nigerian Party Jollof. Hey, we're starting with fresh ingredients. Let's mix them up for a delicious dish. Let's give a big thank you to our sponsors, starting with this amazing soya oil, perfect for all your cooking needs. To maintain proper hygiene, let's start by washing our hands.
AI has come to stay, and whether you want to show your face or not, the truth is simple. AI is here to help you create the kind of content you've always dreamed of. If you've ever wanted to start a cooking show or launch your own cooking channel but felt shy about being on camera or worried about buying expensive gadgets, this video is exactly for you. In fact, the entire video you just watched was created using a free AI tool. Right now, content creation is exploding like never before. People are building channels from their bedrooms, their kitchens, or even their cars, and they are making real money from it. So honestly, there is no excuse. And if you stay with me till the end of this video, I will show you exactly how to create a long form cooking content using AI. Step by step, using only your smartphone. You will learn how to generate an AI chef, how to script episodes, how to create voiceovers, how to edit like a pro, how to package your video so it looks clean and professional and ready for your channel. So before we dive in, please take 1 second to like this video so that more people can discover it, and don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel. It's totally free. Turn on your post notifications so you never miss out on any future videos that will help you grow, create, and make money with AI. Let's get started. The first thing you need to do is to head on to ChatGPT. Tell it to generate an avatar for you. I want to generate a cooking video using AI. Give me an image prompt for my AI avatar, and ChatGPT will generate a prompt for you. So when you read the prompt and you feel there is something you want to be added or removed from the prompt, you can as well come below here and can always adjust it by typing here for it to regenerate. For instance, I want the name of my cooking show to appear on the studio. So I click on send for ChatGPT to refine the prompt and send back to me. As you can see, here is the updated image prompt. It now has the name of my cooking show. So what I'll do is that I will highlight this place, copy and paste to Google Gemini. I so much love this app because it gives you hyper realistic images using the nano banana feature. So when you want to create your image, make sure that you turn on create image first, then paste your prompt here, hit send, and Gemini generated this image for me. Isn't it beautiful? It has everything that is in the prompt. So this is the image I'll be using for my video generation. I advise that you use this same image to have a consistent character all through your video. Click on the image and click on save. To download the image, head over to Grok AI, click on create videos, select here, and on the photo library, then select the image that we've generated. Grok AI automatically generates your videos for you, but if you don't want this feature, what you need to do is to click here, select the setting option, and scroll down to automatic generation here. Try and toggle it off. So now any video you want to generate would be generated according to the way you want to customize it. Now this is where you customize your video. You type on it, you click on it, and then write what you want your AI chef to do. Another thing I discovered about this particular part is that even if you want your AI chef to say a particular thing, you can as well write it under here She talks to the camera, smiles, makes hand gestures. She says, "Welcome to Content Vibes Cooking Show." Hit send. Wait for your video to be generated.
Welcome to Content Vibes Cooking Show.
Grok AI gives you 6 seconds for free video generation. So the trick you have to use is that you have to generate your videos in batches. So when you do the first one, click on the download button and download it to your gallery. Then repeat the process over and over until you get the exact length of video you want. The next thing you need to do is to generate your scripts. For this, you'll be using ChatGPT. I want to do a cooking show. For this show, I need a video script including the recipe for Nigerian party jollof rice. Hit send. And here you have it. ChatGPT gives you a video script for your cooking show. Here, this script would also guide you on what your AI chef needs to do or say. For instance, here now you can see host/AI chef smiling. That means your AI chef has to smile at this point. So when you are inputting your prompt on Grok, add "she smiles" or why you input your prompt. And she says, "Welcome back to Content Vibe Cooking Show. Today we are making one of the most loved dishes in West Africa, the famous Nigerian party jollof rice." So this is what you need to input in Grok in order to get an image of this. So you don't have to do everything at once. Like I said before, Grok gives you just 6 seconds to generate your free videos. So ensure that you just do it bit by bit. So every scene you see here is very important, and you need to show your audience every step that you take while you are trying to cook this party jollof. So what you need to do is, scene 2, you can copy any part of this and paste in Grok. You're about to paste a text, not an image. So you use the imagine button up here, paste your text and hit send. And Grok generates exactly this for you. For your voiceover, if you want to use an AI voiceover, open your browser and type in Google AI Studio. Select the first website. When the website opens, you see something like this. Then click on text to speech with Gemini. Okay, when it opens, you see the single speaker audio and the multi-speaker audio. We're going to select the single speaker audio. Go down to the voice and select any voice of your choice. Next thing you have to do is to paste your text here. You can also go back to your script, the script ChatGPT has generated. Let's copy a part of this script. Here, copy. Paste your script here and run command. Let's hear what the voiceover sounds like.
In a pot, heat up your vegetable oil. Add chopped onions and fry until fragrant. Next, add tomato paste and fry it for about 5 minutes. This step is important for the smoky party taste.
Click on this area and click on download to download the voiceover. This is what you'll be using on your video. So the next step is how to now edit the video. So right now we need to bring together all the images we've generated, all the voiceovers together in an editing app in order to now give it the final professional touch. So for this tutorial, I'll be using CapCut. So head over to your CapCut. click on new video. This is where you have to now select all the videos you've generated in Grok. This is the starting point of my video. I want a vibrant sound here, so I will go to audio, sound effects, and I'll select an ideal. Click on add sound. You click on the plus sign. This square sign is where you add your transition, so you can click on the square sign and select any transition of your choice. You can select this.
Welcome to Content Vibes.
Here you add another transition. Select any one of your choice.
Dish. Welcome to Content Vibes.
For sounds, what you need to do is just take note of some particular moments, especially when your AI shelf is chopping a particular ingredient. You can add the chopping sound. You can do that by going to the sound effects, search for cutting vegetables. So listen to each of the sounds to see the one that you like more. When the food is boiling, you add a boiling sound. After you've added various sounds to this video, the next thing you want to do is to add your voiceover. You can record your voiceover directly inside CapCut, but for this tutorial, we have to import the voiceover that we generated from Google AI Studio. To do this, click on audio, then go to sound. Found the exact voiceover, you add it. So you can see now it's now under your video. Ensure you align it to the particular part of the video that you want the voiceover to be. Guys, that's basically it. Then when you're done with everything, hit on export to download your video. Do you find this video helpful? If you do, kindly let me know in the comment section by typing "very helpful." Thanks guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.